stuffed snake gourd preparation, the curry. When you look at it, how you feel about it. Something different, something unusual. So come will you, we will all get together and make this, because there is a filling inside, and not just the normal snake gourd, it's different one. So we will see how it comes with the curry type, and we will enjoy. So what should we do? Come, we'll all go together and prepare this and see how it is coming. Actually, I am going to prepare and show you how the stuffed snake gourd curry is going to be like. So we will see the snake gourds, how we have taken it, clean, nicely taken it. We will see how we are going to make the filling for it, and then how to make the curry. Put the oil first, then put onions, ginger garlic, stir fry. A few curry leaves. Boil minced meat. Along with that, boil chopped potatoes. Stir fry this nicely. Oil, salt, chili pieces, turmeric, pepper, chili powder, all that I have put it. We didn't use any other preparation. A little tomato sauce I will use. Off the cooker. Put this filling into a bowl. Potatoes and meat only. If you want, you can have it with fish also. We have to fill this. Fill this, keep aside. Right. Egg. It's better if you can add a little salt, pepper into this. Now what I am going to do is take this, dip it in egg, then in breadcrumb. Can you see? Then in breadcrumb. Turn the other side, dip in egg, and again you dip in breadcrumb. Both sides, dip in egg, breadcrumb, and keep it ready. Stuffed snake gourds I said, so we will see how this is done now. We need a lot of onions, shredded onions, ginger and garlic. Break it up to get the flavor. Red chilies, that is green chili ripe, that also I put. Add a little salt so that it will get fried very fast. Stir fry fast. Coconut milk. I kept a little for the corn flour. The balance I will put it here. Slowly I will put these in. Chili powder, pepper, turmeric, cumin seed, coriander seed powder, spice powder to get cooked. The snake gourd, you can eat it raw also, but if you like, you can have it this way. Pepper, salt, chili powder, and I have used spices, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, all that I have used. I would like to put a little more chili powder. Just a little, half a teaspoon of corn flour. Mix it nicely. Pour it over and cook just for a minute. This there, I am putting it in the middle. The egg that we dipped it and took, that I have put it here lastly. So that also should get cooked in vain otherwise. I have already dipped it so that all the seasoning is there. So now see, the egg is also getting cooked. Sugar into this, a little sugar. And if you like, you can use a little tamarind juice. Take it nicely. The filling should not fall, so carefully take it and put it into this jug. For each person you serve one like that. The snake gourds, generally you can eat it raw, making a sambal out of it. It's very good, healthy preparation. So all the healthy preparation I have done so that you will love it to have it, because it's something really good for us. Us means our whole family. Please try it out and see how it comes. This stuffed snake goat curry, you can serve it with anything. It is really nice with pittu, with stringhoppers, with rice, with bread, bun, anything, rotis, whatever you like you can have. And this is the preparation I have done for you so that it will be really nice, healthy and good for us to eat. Wait for me so that I will do something really good and nice. Bye from me now.